Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and in this video we are going to calculate the value of this particular function here using the conventional rules of differentiation. So the very first thing is that we always assign a variable to the concerned function whose differentiation we are going to calculate. So y will be equal to square root of x square plus x plus 1. In the second stage, what we do is we reassign the original function by some other variable. So let us say that the value of v is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So if you notice, now this entire value here will be v, so that means the value of y comes out to be square root of v, or we can write this as v raised to the power 1 by 2. Now here what we notice here is that now the question is initially reduced. So initially if the value of y was this and we need to differentiate this, so essentially what we are trying to calculate is the value of dy by dx. Now this can be written as dy by dv multiplied by dv by d of x. So all we have to do is just substitute these two values in this expression here, and then we will have the final value of dy by dx. So let us start calculating. So the first thing that we need is dv by dx. Now the value of v is this, so let us use the operator on both the sides. So d by dx of v is equal to d by dx of x square plus x plus 1. So that means the value of dv by dx is equal to 2x plus 1. And let us say this is equation number 1. Now after this we have the value of y as v raised to the power 1 divided by 2. So let us calculate the value of dy by dv, which will be equal to, now here we'll use the another formula for differentiation, that is d by dx of x raised to the power n is nx n minus 1. So the value of n here is 1 by 2, so this would be 1 by 2 multiplied by v raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So that would be 1 by 2 multiplied by raised to the power minus 1 by 2. Now let us resubstitute these two values. Let us say this is equation number 2. Let us resubstitute from 1 and 2 the values over here. So that means the value of dy by dx technically comes out to be dy by dv, which is 1 by 2 raised to the power v raised to the power minus 1 by 2 multiplied by dv by dx, which is 2x plus 1. Now initially the value of v is x squared plus x plus 1, so let us substitute that particular value here. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by x square plus x plus 1 raised to the power minus half multiplied by 2x plus 1. And this right here is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.